Today we are going to look at the battle rope. The battle rope is really good for energy system development. It's a good conditioning tool to use. I've got Charlie here going to perform some variations of that exercise. So the first one is the double arm waves. So he's going to go up nice and high, getting these big waves up and down. Good. Then he's going to do the single arm alternative waves, nice and quick. Good work. And finally, he's going to look at some double arm circles. Big circles moving out, a bit faster. And these are just some exercises that can be performed with the battle rope.